In English Marigold, we will do exercises related to the chapter 7, Rain. Fish tank. Look at this fish tank. Write 3 sentences on what you see. Draw some more creatures in this tank. I see many fish swimming in the water. I see lots of green plants in the water. I can also see stones at the bottom of the fish tank. Next question. The words away, day, play are rhyming words. Now color the words that rhyme with. Now children, let's try and see. P-I-N pin, S-P-I-N spin, T-I-N tin, F-I-N fin are rhyming with I-N in. So we will color these rhyming words with red. B-R-O-W-N brown, G-O-W-N gown, D-R-O-W-N drown, C-R-O-W-N crown, F-R-O-W-N frown, C-L-O-W-N clown are rhyming with D-O-W-N down. So we will color these rhyming words with yellow. T-O-T dot, P-O-T pot, C-O-T cot, H-O-T hot and S-P-O-T spot are rhyming with N-O-T not. So we will color these rhyming words with blue. Next, look at these pictures and fill in the blanks from the words in the box. In first picture, we can see the ship is sailing on the sea. In second one, the river flows from the mountain. In third picture, we can see the duck is swimming in the lake. In fourth picture, the frog lives in the pond. Next, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where does the rain fall? Answer. The rain falls all around. On fields, on trees, on umbrellas and ships. Question number 2. What do people use when it rains? Answer. People use umbrellas when it rains. Question number 3. What do you do on a rainy day? Answer. We make boats by using paper and float them on water. Question number 4. How do you keep yourself dry in the rain? Answer. By wearing raincoats or holding an umbrella, we keep ourselves dry in rain. Question number 5. Do you like to play in water? Answer. Yes, I like to play in water. Question number 6. Say, what things live in water? Answer. Fish, frogs, crab, ducks, etc. live in water. Question number 7. Have you heard the sound of rainfall? Answer. Yes, I have heard the sound of rainfall. Question number 8. What sound does the rain make on umbrellas? Answer. The rain makes the sound of tip tip on the umbrellas. Question number 9. What sound does the rain make on the leaves of the trees? Answer. The rain makes the sound of tap tap on the leaves of the trees. Hope you got well with the exercises. Children, revise it.